Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by collecting what matters first: keys, a flashlight, and any tool that fits the single slot. Once done, test controls move, interact with E, sprint with shift because speed matters. Walk the starting room slowly and inspect surfaces. Look for seams, screws, or symbols. Make sure to pick up anything glowing or clickable. These often open the next scene. If you see numbers or patterns, memorize or jot them. Puzzles often require two-step inputs later. Now you move into the complex middle. Combine items and test them. You drag a key to a lock or use a tool on a panel. That interaction reveals the cause and effect rule. Once you find patterns, try sequences in order. Trials of 3 to 6 inputs often unlock doors. Make sure to use the environment. Reflectors and light angles can reveal hidden codes, and pressure plates may require weight or objects. As you progress, pause and observe cause. Every successful action teaches the puzzle logic. You reach the final sequence. Enter the code or pull the lever to open the exit. Move confidently, use sprint selectively, and switch off the flashlight to conserve battery so you don't lose vision at the last second. If the door won't open, backtrack and re-equip any consumed items, re-inspect nearby surfaces for a missed glyph, and reset any puzzles if the map allows. One key troubleshooting tip: reload the room or respawn to reset state. Then repeat the exact successful interaction you observed before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.